Today's featured car of the day is a 1967 Ford Mustang GT Fastback with a 289 and a 4-speed. And I'll read from the Mecum auction site. This one sold at the Dallas-Fort Worth 2025 auction Saturday, November 1st, 2025 in Fort Worth, Texas. And I'll read from the highlights. It shows 42,895 miles. And as I mentioned, it's a 289 with a 4-speed, candy apple red with red interior, and had a rotisserie restoration, factory color combination of candy apple red with 2D red bucket seat interior, factory A-code 289 cubic inch V8 engine, factory 4-speed manual transmission, power front disc brakes, power steering, factory GT equipment group, delivered new to Harold Ford in Sacramento, California. And it was also MCA, Mustang Club of America, Gold Concours judged. So it was a nice car. And it actually it bid to $85,000, but did not sell. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.